I'm at Chilpik Kala now, which is in the Karakalpakstan region of Uzbekistan. This castle was constructed 2000 years ago on a natural hill in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. It was constructed by the Zoroastrian people and it was a sacred burial place for them. I will go to the top of it and I will give you additional information when I'm on the top. The government constructed modern stairs like this to go to the top, so it's quite easy to go to the top and you don't get into the mud. After this way, the stairs end here and we need to go through. Now I'm on top and in the middle of the castle. You can see 4 kilometers away from here. For example, this is the Amudarya river and the terrain is very flat. So really you can see 20-30 kilometers far away from here. I would like to mention you about some traditions of the Zoroastrians and why they use this castle. So they are using this castle for the dead people, like to bury the dead people. In the Zoroastrian tradition, when someone dies, they can only bury the skeletons, and so they cannot bury the soft parts of the body, such as the tissue and the meat part. For that reason, they keep the dead people, so after someone passes away, they put the dead body here and they wait until the birds eat that part or until it's dried in the sun, until the soft part is gone and only the skeletons remain. And after that they bury the skeletons. So that was one of the uses of this castle. After the Arab invasion and after the Islamization of the region, they were using this castle as a watchtower to see far away if enemy is approaching. Now I will show you around the castle and I will show you the view from the castle. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it.